This is a simple step-by-step guide how to get Paramount Plus on Samsung TV. If you're on your TV, go to settings, then sign in, select on my TV, enter the email address and password you used when subscribed to Paramount Plus, and select sign in. That's it. On the web browser, you go to settings, sign in, select on the web. You'll be presented with a website and a code. Make a note of this code. You'll need it for the next step. Visit paramountplus.com/TV on your computer or mobile device, enter your activation code, and select activate. If you're not signed into Paramount Plus on your computer, you'll need to do so here. Your screen will refresh and you can start streaming on your Samsung TV. Update to the latest Paramount Plus app version on your Samsung TV is very important so it can automatically check to ensure you're always running the latest version of the app and your TV software. That's basically it, as simple as that.